Hello, up next we have number 288. This is a tenor scale walnut and pistachio banjo uke. It's going to Doug in Napa Valley area, California, I believe. He requested a really crazy fretboard, pistachio fretboard, so I found a really beautiful one that has many colors in it. I like the red and the greens. And I'm pretty sure that that hit right here, I think that's what my supplier calls tractor blight, where these pistachio trees get hit by a machine in the orchard and then it kind of grows back as a scar. So head plate continues the color. And I found, to go along with that pistachio, I found some walnut in my stash that had a beautiful light curl to it. This stuff comes from an estate sale in the Dalles, that's one town over. So this is Oregon walnut. That shows the curl well. Yep, and then walnut block rim. I love how whichever way you look at it in the light, it changes light to dark, light to dark. It's because of the grain direction in the block rims. So yeah, walnut tenor. Yeah, feels good. I like this one. I think the color choices on the wood were spot on. So yeah, number 288. No, sorry, 287. Ready to go.